I'm going to be installing the Whitestone Dome glass screen protector for the Galaxy S9 Plus. I've already taken out of the box to save time, so let's show you what comes in the packaging. You've got this little UV light producer that cures the actual glue. Booklet telling you how to do it, what comes in the packaging, which I'm not going to bother reading because I've done this so many times. Cable to power the UV light. A little package of stuff which we'll go through as we do it. These are small stickers that go, I think you put this over the earpiece here to protect it. This is the top of the holder. The actual glass screen protector itself that's slightly curved on the edges. You've got two little tubes of glue. And you've got the bridge that sits over it like that, which I'll show you in a minute. Right, now I've got the screen cleaned down. So basically what you have to do is you get these absorbent sort of foam pads that go on the inside here to absorb any glue that leaks over the side. Put the phone in like so. Making a note that this is the side where the top of it goes. So make sure all of them are the phone's tightly inserted. Then we take one of these little sticker things here, speaker sticker. So that's pushed down. Now I'll use a dust removal sticker. Just pick up any dust that's on here. I'll probably do this one more time once I've got it all ready to go, just before I put the glue in place. So now we put the top part of this on here, like so. Put this tab in to the top here. Now we get the bridge ready. Over the top. Now we open this up and get this ready to put into there. Open the purple part, screw this in. And the way it works is you have to open the top part and it basically lets all the glue seep out. So here we go. Take this off the top. And the glue drips out. You leave it for around 30 seconds or so. So I think that will do for the time being. We take this little cradle out and we'll put it here, because this glue is pretty strong. You don't want it going everywhere, trust me. Okay, now make sure there's no dust on there at all. Peel the backing off. Oop, nearly had an accident. Put that on the top so it's all perfectly squared off. Just gently tilt it here, so as the glue hits the middle you pull this tab out. There we go. And let it do its thing for about a minute or so until all the glue has covered everything. So it's just going along. This part takes a little bit longer because you've got to wait for the glue to move down the glass. So I'll be right back once this part is done, so don't go anywhere. Right, I'm back now, guys. And now we're gonna, all the glue is spread across the entire glass. You cannot touch this until you've started doing some curing process. Here's the UV light. So you've got to do 15 seconds at the top and then 15 seconds at the bottom. So switch that on. Let me get this ready. Move that across there. I'll speed this part of the video up, but it's 15 seconds at the top and 15 seconds at the bottom. Take that off. Now remove this. Take this little sticker off and gently remove your device. Alright, that's not finished yet. You have a lot more stuff to do, but that looks pretty good so far. So let me remove that out of the way, and let's start off by getting one of the alcoholic pads out, because what you want to do with this now is just gently wipe around the phone, just gently though, in one direction, like so. If you wipe too hard, you can end up lifting up the glass. So this is just to take off any residual glue that shouldn't be there. To be honest, there isn't any, but for safety's sake, just in one direction. Gently, very gently. Now you repeat the process, but this time 60 seconds at the top and 60 seconds at the bottom part. And voila, the finished product. Bonded perfectly to the phone. No gaps, no air bubbles, no dust. The glass is extremely smooth, very fingerprint resistant. In fact, it gets less fingerprints than the actual screen itself. Clarity is crystal clear. Touch sensitivity is perfect. And I highly recommend it. Use the links in the description below because it helps me out and the channel out if you're interested in buying the Whitestone Dome glass screen protector. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button because I've got a lot more videos coming up for the S9 Plus. I've already reviewed a ton of cases already. And also hit the bell notification icon so you'll be informed every time I upload a new video. And do remember to share this video on all your social media because it helps me and helps the channel grow. This is your boy Zilla saying take care, stay safe, and peace.